Okay, so today we are making what is called Buttery Pecan Snowballs. This is a good treat to take, say this weekend is Thanksgiving in Canada, and for your family get-togethers. You can make these for your Christmas cookies exchange. Christmas is coming, so is New Year's, and the good thing about these is these have been asked by me to be made by special request and to make them gluten-free. So, as you can see, I already have a couple cups of butter. I've softened it up a bit in the mixer. We're going to start this off, get it going, start for the noise, and to this we are going to add 1 cup of powdered sugar. You should get that mixing. We want to mix it all together. Get that icing sugar well incorporated. The other way, like so. I'm going to stop. I'm going to grab the spatula. We're just going to scrape down the sides. So we want to get all that icing sugar incorporated. And turn it back on. Give it a few more mixes. Okay. Do this. We are going to add 3 teaspoons of vanilla. Now I did double this recipe. Slowly turn this off so you can hear me. We are going to add, now this is where the gluten-free part comes in to play, 4.5 cups of rice flour. So let me scrape this off with the teaspoon here. We'll keep the spatula off to the side. 4.5 cups of rice flour. Turn it on slow and start adding. Now the mixture is going to look very crumbly. That's fine. To this now, we're going to add some pecans and mix it in. Crushed up already. Turn it on low. Incorporate them in. Okay, so once this is fully incorporated, as you can see, we're going to take a 1-inch scoop. If you want to wear gloves, wear gloves. If not, well, you're not going to hear anything from me. We're basically going to scoop right into the palm of our hand, and then roll. Like so. And then we're going to put it on a parchment lined baking sheet, and these are going to go into a 350-degree oven for exactly 11 minutes. No longer, no less. So here we go. This is just the first 18 balls, like so. And as I said, into a 350-degree oven for 11 minutes. Okay, 11 minutes later, the timer just went off. There we go. These on the cooling rack so air can get to the top and the bottom. What we need to do now is let these cool for 10 minutes or so until they're safe to handle. I can touch them, and they need to stiffen up a bit. And then we're going to roll them in icing sugar, put them on a cooling rack, and let them cool completely. I'll let these cool for 10 minutes or so, and I'll see you in a second. Okay, so it's been a few minutes. So now we're going to take a few of these, put them right into the icing sugar, and we're going to move them around like so, just to coat them, like so. And then take our fork and put them on the cooling rack so they can cool completely. As you can see, I do have a cooling rack over another baking apparatus, just to catch all the excess icing sugar that comes off the pecan balls. That's it. So again, these are good for, family get-togethers, Thanksgiving, Christmas, whatever your heart desires, or if you just want to make them ahead of time for snacks for yourself or your family. Hope you enjoy. I will have the recipe down in the description. I did double this recipe, so the recipe that will be down in the description will just be the normal recipe without it being doubled. And like I said, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Have a good one.